Thank you for visiting the Fun Writings channel, where we plan for the green future in the best way. Today we are telling you about green parenting. It offers numerous benefits to communities, extending far beyond individual family practices. Here's a comprehensive overview. 1. Improved environmental education and awareness. Children raised by green parents become natural environmental ambassadors. They share learned sustainable practices with peers, schools, and extended family. Often inspire broader community conversations about ecological responsibility. 2. Economic benefits. Reduced healthcare costs through healthier lifestyle choices. Lower consumption of disposable products. Increased support for local, sustainable businesses. Teaching children economic mindfulness about resource use. 3. Community health improvements. Promoting organic, locally sourced food. Reducing exposure to harmful chemicals. Encouraging outdoor activities and nature connection. Supporting active transportation like walking and cycling. 4. Social skill development. Teaching children collaboration and collective responsibility, developing empathy towards environment and community. Cultivating problem-solving skills. Learning cooperation through community sustainability projects. 5. Practical community strategies. Organizing neighborhood gardening initiatives. Creating local recycling and composting programs. Developing car sharing or bicycle sharing community networks. Supporting school sustainability curriculum. Hosting community environmental education workshops. 6. Long-term societal impact. Raising generations more attuned to sustainable living, creating cultural shifts towards environmental consciousness. Developing innovative solutions to ecological challenges. Building resilient, adaptive community infrastructure. Green parenting transforms individual family choices into broader social transformation, making sustainability a collective community journey. There are specific green parenting practices that can benefit communities. Would you like to hear about them? Comment, like, subscribe and share, as you become a part of the team that is helping the Green Kids Book Project to grow as the kids plan to have a bright future. Don't forget to visit the Fun Writings website, where the ecokids books are sold. We appreciate your support.